My name is Jean-Paul Malabar and I'm 43 years old. I work for Scomac. I've been here for 3 odd years, nearly 4 years. The apprenticeship we're doing, it just gives us a chance, like people like older, like my age, that you get a chance to get an apprenticeship in like a job wise, because most of the time they used to take like younger person, like 16 to 19 years old. So, but now they're doing this modern apprenticeship, which gives us a chance. It was easier that way for my age range, like to get a job. So they gave us like 3-month probation to try and work their skill phase 0 to 10, and then for there they were quite happy with us. So that was me. It was easy because here we start like from, as I say, from 0 to 10. They give you a chance to start building your skills, like from smaller things to bigger stuff. You get people like helping you, so it was quite enjoyable to go from one item to different stuff, so moving up the ladders. It's great because I used to work in retail, so for me to go from retail to work for Scomac is absolutely phenomenal. So the skills you're learning at the same time, so the pay rise was totally a different story, so it was quite really good. Oh yeah, when I started here I was like a bag of nerves. I thought I would never last. I almost signed my own P45. Yeah, but the confidence I've got over the month and the years was absolutely great. Oh yeah, definitely. See, the way they give you a chance to learn, mainly when I say that when I came here I was so nervous, I thought I would never last, but they make you so confident. It makes it easier for folks who is like less confident. Oh yeah, well, I hope there's loads of people out there who get the chance to do the same thing, the same kind of chance I've got. Because when I finished the first phase of the college, I was lucky enough to get a job at Scomac. So I've been lucky that way through the Modern Apprenticeship. So hopefully that will come handy for the folks as well. Older folks mainly, because younger people, because so many doors open for them. But like for people like 30 over, sometimes it's a bit hard to get apprenticeship. So that was my luck.